The S&P 500 has fallen into correction territory, but President Trump is making Chinese stocks a bit greater again. It's Friday, 14th of March, and here's what you need to know. So you may have heard the S&P 500 closed in a correction on Thursday. What does that mean? Well, it means the index is down more than 10% from its recent high, which was in the middle of December. So how bad is that? Well, there have been 12 corrections thus far this century, and only 4 of them turned into a bear market. That's more than 20% down. Bear in mind, too, that by many measures, US stocks are still overvalued compared to their historical averages. There was some good news for the market overnight. It now looks like the US government won't shut down today after Democrat Senate leader Chuck Schumer said he would vote for a stopgap spending bill. If that doesn't pass today, the federal government will shut down at midnight. But Asian stocks recovered some ground now that it looks like that won't happen. You may have missed, though, what a good year it's already been so far for Chinese stocks. The Hang Seng in Hong Kong is up 17% so far this year, and that shows just how much investors are looking for opportunities outside the US. Watch out later for the University of Michigan's Consumer Sentiment Survey. That will show just how much American shoppers' confidence has taken a knock from the tariff news coming from the White House. It's expected to come in at 63.1. That would be down on last month, which was already the lowest since November 2023. President Trump's threat to slap a 200% tariff on European wine really shook retailers and importers yesterday. They say that would force them to increase the prices of all booze wherever in the world it comes from. And take a look at our chart of the day. This is BMW. Its stock dropped more than 2% at the open in Frankfurt this morning after it warned about lower profit margins this year and directly blamed President Trump's tariffs. BMW is right in the firing line. It has a plant in South Carolina that exported $10 billion worth of cars last year, making it the US's biggest auto exporter. Car makers are particularly vulnerable to tariffs because of their complex supply chains, and even Elon Musk's Tesla wrote to the federal government this week to warn about how exposed it is. And that's what you need to know this morning.